Auntie, your money.
Ah, Jesus. Oh, God, why is this money falling down now? Eh? What is... Thank you very much. Eh? God bless you. Thank you. Ah, this money. Ah, God. You know what? Just take this. Use it for yourself. Oh, enjoy yourself. You can just stand up and go and enjoy yourself. That is $100. Ah, thank you.
Did he take the money? Did she take the money?
Yes.
She took it? Oh, God. You know what? We keep on doing it until we get someone that is nice, that will say that he's not you now for money, okay? Do you still have the money? No, take this one, okay? Just the way you did it the other time, all right?
Uncle, your money.
Oh, my money. I didn't know when it fell down though. Thank you very much, yeah? My money. Wow. Thank you, eh?
Did he collect it?
Yes.
Ha! So we don't have good people again. God. All right. Take. Okay?
Auntie, your money.
Hey, yeah, it's true. Thank you so much. Oh. Hey, thank you. Thank you, hey, thank you so much. Oh.
Even that one too. Huh? Okay, add this one to it. Add this one to it. Okay?
Your money.
That's not my money.
It's your money.
No, it's not my money.
Auntie. Take your money.
Not mine.
What happened? She rejected it?
Yes.
I heard her saying that it's not her money.
Yes.
Call.
Auntie.
Hello?
Auntie.
I said it's
Hello?
not my money. It's not my
Come,
money.
come first, come. Come. Come, my dear. No, why you? Don't worry, it's okay, it's okay. I understand. Why are you crying? What is the problem?
Where I was working, they sacked me and they asked me to leave the room that they rented for me.
Oh my God.
Something happened. I made a small mistake and the company lost a huge amount of money.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. And with this kind of stress and homeless that you have become, you still rejected money that he said belongs to you.
It's not my own now. I don't want to take it. I don't want any trouble. Please,
Oh,
let me just go.
He said it's your own. Take.
No, sir. I don't know about this money. I don't have any money. I don't even know about dollars.
It's okay. It's okay. This is exactly what we are looking for. Nothing is wrong with him. We just decided to dress him like this. It's his birthday. Yes, and because of what is happening in the world today, everybody is interested in money. Nobody wants to. Hard work is no longer the order of the day. So we decided to put up this. Almost everybody that passes here claim that this money belongs to them. And they have been taking my money. You are the only one who rejected it. And that caught my attention. Just wish him happy birthday first of all.
Happy birthday. I pray that you live to see many, many more years and a happy return. May the lines of life fall in pleasant places for you.
Amen. Amen. We say that whoever that refused to take this money shall be blessed by us. By the way, have this first of all. Yes, this is him celebrating his birthday with you.
Sir.
Yes. It's not a dream. It's reality. Look at it. If I pinch you, you will feel it. It's not a dream.
Sir, this is for me.
It's for you. And
I didn't do anything. No, I just...
You did something. What you did here was so noble. This is what many didn't do.
Wait.
But you did it.
This is for me.
It's for not only this. Not only this.
Sir,
Not only this.
sir, thank you. Thank you so much.
It's okay.
Thank you, sir.
No, it's okay.
Thank you. Oh my God.
Not only
Thank you
this.
so much, sir.
Not only this. I am going to give you a lucrative job in my office. I'm going to give you a house.
Oh my God.
And all these
Jesus.
things starts now.
Hey, God, thank you so much.
All these things starts when? Now. So please, if you wouldn't mind, join us. So let me take you to my company
Thank you so
so
much.
you resume your
Thank
work.
you. Thank you so much, sir.
okay.
God bless you, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Hey,
Join us. Follow that side.
thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Please share this video to your husband, to your wife, to your children. Don't forget to like and drop a comment. Thank you so much and I love you. Bye.